is for our Palestine customer. So it's a customized machines. We do the customer design for the customized design for the our Palestine customer. So you can see the tooling. We have this tooling is special one for truck cover, and they have two straight bar for welding. So this welding, the tooling, we can adjust the space between of and the both tooling. So you can see we can adjust it. The distance we can adjust it's by the, you can see that here the ruler. Okay, how much we need, and we could adjust their show. It's easy. Okay, we also have the laser light for the positioning. Okay, it's so we adjust the laser light, adjust here. Okay, we adjust the laser light, and our grounding is it's our spatial design, so it's different with other suppliers. So we can to make sure our high frequency PVC tarpaulin welding machine. This machine is safe. It's no radiation. It's safe for workers. And then you can see the isolated cover for protect to cover the cooper. So it's safe for the workers. When you touch here, okay, it's safe. It's not a scratch and catch the hands. So it's okay. We see this one, and this is a roller. Okay, when the material is heavy, so use the roller. It's easy for pulling the material, the heavy material. So you know the truck cover and it's bigger, it's heavy. So this design is easy to pull out, to move the material. And we also have the full pedal. So when we choose the automatic motor, okay, this is the automatic motor, and then we use the full pedal, so we can the distance to control the machine, to start machines, is automatically. So I think this machine is useful for the PVC truck cover, PVC tarpaulin industry. So you're welcome to